How to get a general contractor license. Ready to take the next step in your contracting career? Getting your general contractor license is essential for expanding your opportunities and credibility. Here's a glimpse into the process. To apply for a general contractor license, you need to meet specific requirements. According to Contractor Licensing Pros, the requirements typically include proof of work experience, completion of an exam, and sometimes a background check. The article emphasizes the importance of having the necessary experience. As mentioned, most states require a minimum number of years working in the construction industry before you can apply for a general contractor license. Additionally, the article highlights the importance of preparing for the licensing exam. It states, studying is crucial, as the exam will test your knowledge of construction laws, processes, and best practices. Moreover, understanding the licensing process is crucial for a successful application. Contractor Licensing Pros states, each state has its own licensing board, so it's essential to research the specific requirements in your state. In conclusion, obtaining a general contractor license is a significant achievement in the construction industry. As the article suggests, by meeting the licensing requirements and preparing diligently, you can position yourself for success as a licensed general contractor. Want to learn more? Call 954-904-1064 for a free licensing consultation today.